We've gathered reviews from all over the internet to bring you a comprehensive look at the SUPVAN T50M Pro Bluetooth label maker machine. If you own this product, please share your experience in the comments to help others make an informed decision. This label maker is designed to cater to a wide range of needs, from home organization to small business labeling, and it has received significant praise for its versatility and ease of use. Here's everything you need to know about it. The SUPVAN T50M Pro is a compact yet powerful label maker that supports label sizes ranging from 3/4 of an inch to 2 inches wide. Users have highlighted its suitability for organizing storage boxes, bottles, jars, food containers, and more at home. It's also been praised for its utility in small businesses, where it's used for creating shipping labels, product information tags, QR codes, and even brand logos. Additionally, it's a handy tool for schools and offices, perfect for name tags, folders, and documentation. One of the standout features of this device is its versatile app editing function. The app allows users to customize their labels with a selection of 40 fonts, 30 frames, and over 450 icons, all free to use. You can even add images directly from your phone or tablet. The app's functionality has been lauded by many users for its ability to create high-resolution labels with clear and crisp text or images. This enhanced image quality ensures that the labels not only serve their purpose but also look professional and aesthetically pleasing. The label maker is incredibly easy to use. Its app requires no registration or fees and features automatic label size recognition, simplifying the process of creating labels. Additionally, since it's an inkless labeler, there's no need for ink or toner refills, a feature that many users have found both cost-effective and convenient. The SUPVAN T50M Pro is compatible with various types of labels, including square, round, cable, and file labels. This compatibility ensures that it meets diverse labeling needs while keeping everything neat and tidy. Customers have also noted that the device connects seamlessly with smartphones, tablets, PCs, and laptops via Bluetooth or USB Type-C interfaces. One user shared their experience using the label maker in their small garden shop to create price labels for products like Mexican pottery. They found the machine easy to design and print with and appreciated that the labels left no residue when removed from products. The inkless technology impressed them further as it ensured smudge-free prints every time. Another user highlighted how they used the label maker for organizing craft supplies at home. They found it straightforward to connect the device to their smartphone and were able to print crisp labels within minutes of setup. They also appreciated that the labels remained clean and legible even after extended use. However, not all feedback was entirely positive. Some users mentioned minor issues with the app interface. For instance, one user with a Galaxy Z Fold 4 noted that the app didn't fully support their device's widescreen when unfolded flat. They had to switch to a smaller screen mode on their phone to access certain editing features, a limitation they found inconvenient given that most other apps worked seamlessly on their device's wider screen format. Another common concern was related to switching between different label sizes. A few users reported difficulties in getting the printer to recognize new tape sizes after switching from one size to another. While they were eventually able to resolve these issues by adjusting settings in the app or reloading the tape, they felt this process could be smoother. Despite these minor drawbacks, most users agreed that the SUPVAN T50M Pro offers excellent value for money given its feature set and performance capabilities. Its portability makes it ideal for on-the-go use at events or while traveling in an RV, an aspect several reviewers appreciated greatly. The automatic shutoff feature was another highlight frequently mentioned in reviews as it helps conserve battery life effectively without requiring manual intervention every time you finish using it. Speaking of battery life, users were impressed by how long-lasting it is. One customer shared that they only needed to charge their unit twice over an entire year despite regular weekly usage. In terms of build quality and durability, the SUPVAN T50M Pro received high marks from buyers who felt confident about its construction right out of the box. It didn't feel like a cheap product despite being affordably priced compared to professional-grade alternatives available on the market today. Overall impressions suggest that this label maker strikes an excellent balance between affordability, functionality, portability, ease of use, making suitable option both personal professional applications alike, whether organizing home office running small business, creating custom designs, events, more. If looking reliable, versatile device capable handling wide variety tasks efficiently, effectively, then definitely worth considering SUPVAN T50M Pro Bluetooth label maker machine. Don't forget, check out product link description support channel, Leave review comments below, share thoughts, experiences, others benefit too.